Well, when I look at REB, first of all, I have confidence in the product they manufacture. But above and beyond that, there's a couple of other things that are pretty important to me and to Recall. REB does a very good job in helping us maximize the densities that we have in our buildings by coming up with innovative designs. So I think that's critical. Also, I think they do a very good job in regards to project management, making sure that the complete system is installed, the permitting is taken care of, and it's a closed loop system for us. I think that's the best part. And third, they've got great people working for them. So we just enjoy working with the people at REB, and they do a fabulous job.
I like REB first and foremost because I'm comfortable with the product that they deliver. I'm comfortable with their design and installation recommendations, that I will get the most and I will be well satisfied in maximizing our business.
Working with our customers and the long-term relationships that we have, our customers are our friends. We'll do whatever it takes. We will do whatever it takes to make them more profitable and provide them with the ultimate in storage capabilities.
I pride myself on is loyalty, customer service, being there when somebody needs me, and REB, that's what they do.
You know, what I really like about REB is the people. I think the bottom line is everybody within the REB organization has been there a lot of years. They know what they're doing. They're fun to work with. They're great people, and they take good care of us. You know, they do what they say they're going to do. They deliver on time, provide a quality product at a good price.
They've always been there for us. They were very helpful when the company first started off. I mean, we bought three sections of riveteer racking from a girl that walked through the door in 1988 called Lori Palmer. And I don't know if she was pleased to get the deal that we beat her up so much for price, but it's a long-term relationship, and the support from REB alone has made us a ongoing supporter of their company.
I've never even talked to another vendor. I mean, with my association with Prism and all the conferences and the people that have been around, it was an easy choice for me to go straight to them with their reputation.
REB makes sense because of their experience in the industry, and there's not too many racking companies that specialize the way that REB does in records management.
I went to REB because of the experience that they've got. I've been involved with them certainly over the last 6 or 7 years with Prism International. I'm aware of a lot of the jobs that they've done, and of all the racking companies that I was aware of, they were the only ones that I felt totally confident to help us with our project in Turkey.
The consolidation of their services and what they provide has been phenomenal. It's second to none, and we've been very happy with their processes and their procedures.
REB has been phenomenal to work with. They have come out on site. They have some great ideas. Their experience in the business, and especially in the box business, is just phenomenal. We can tap in on that, and we found that if we listen to them, that we're going to get more boxes in fewer square footage, and that's what it's all about.
Well, I think it is our experience in doing these systems and being creative and not being tied into a cookie cutter approach to solutions. We work with different manufacturers, and we're constantly looking at new and innovative ways to achieve our clients' goals.
One of the things that everybody wants to talk to us about is, where do I get my racking from? And over the years I've met many different companies, but one company's always been around. Not only that, they've been able to work with our customers, whether they be in North America, in India, in Australia. They're always happy to help, even if sometimes it doesn't mean a sale.
I think the greatest testimonial is the longevity that we've been with them. Obviously, there's competition out there, and they're always coming to you saying, gee, we could meet your needs as well. And quite frankly, as much as we do our due diligence and look at that and go out and seek that, we have never found anybody to beat REB's complete package.
I would always recommend REB just because of the way the customer service is very high with them. all their staff, they work as a team. You can talk to anyone at any time and they all seem to know what's happening. Everyone that I've dealt with, from Mike, Matt, Laurie, Dave, they've all just been fantastic to work with. They're just such great people.
REB Storage Systems International is probably one of the most significant contributors to our industry as far as corporate partners go. We can always rely on REB to provide us with very detailed information about changes in regulatory issues. They're very involved from that standpoint. They have a high degree of expertise. And of course, they're significant volunteers as far as member recruitment is concerned and helping spread the word about PRISM programs and services. We think a lot of REB.
My perspective has been the only rack company that I've seen that is consistently there, that contributes to the industry in the form of having the likes of Mike as a prime mover and a knowledgeable guy in fire and all the code making side.
It's the people. It's the people, it's the people, it's the people. They're offering a service that can really, I don't want to say make or break you, but they can really set the foundation for your company to be a success for many, many years. And I'm glad I have a relationship with them, and I look forward to working with them for many years to come.
Years ago, Tom was very patient with me when we first started out. Very patient with me on a payment of a phase of racking that I owed him. And, I'll never forget that. And without him helping us out, and we wouldn't be where we were today.
Yeah, I will say that REB has recently helped me personally with they helped me out of a critical jam within my business. They were there with no holds barred and without even batting an eye on an 11th hour problem.
Uniquely, what makes them different is their response to the customers. When you find a relationship like that, where it happens time after time after time, I don't look very far after that.
I trust REB. I like working with REB because they do exactly what they say they're going to do. And when you work with somebody you trust, it makes the job a lot easier. And then at the end of the project, you're both satisfied. They got a fair, price for what they've done, and we got a great job done.
One of the best things about REB is the relationships.
I can trust that they're always going to go the extra mile, and they're always willing to look at things again. And they're always willing to recognize, hey, let's sharpen our pencil on the design, let's sharpen our pencil on what we're offering, and let's sharpen our pencil to make sure that it's exactly what you need.
I love my job. I can honestly say I love getting up every morning. If it's not the people, the customers, the clients, the prospective clients that I'm talking to, it's the people I work with. And it's good to work with a team that's willing to go that extra mile the same way you are.
We have a good personal relationship with them that helps make the business relationship easier.
Longevity is something that's important. You want somebody who's been around for a long time and who's going to be around for a long time, because your rack vendor becomes your biggest friend in the industry.
Without any hesitation, I'd recommend REB Steel. It's a good product, fairly priced, and the support you get from them personally is without equal in the industry.